How to redeem expired Groupon. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem expired Groupon. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. You might be able to recover the full promotional and face value of your expired Groupon. The company's policy states that all deals should be redeemed at least at face value after they have expired. So the first way to redeem expired Groupon is ask the merchant to honor it anyway. The most straightforward way to extend the full value of your Groupon product beyond its expiration date is simply to ask the issuing merchant to do a solid and waive the stated expiration date. Second, escalate to management if warranted. If the issuing merchant's representative refuses to honor part or all of the promotional value on your Groupon voucher or deal, be persistent. Politely but firmly ask to speak with the manager or owner and don't give way until you do. If they are not around, get their name and ask when the representative expects them back and come or call back later. Third, ask Groupon to intervene with the merchant. If the merchant refuses to budge, get Groupon involved. Legally, Groupon customer support team cannot compel a merchant to honor the promotional value of a voucher after its stated expiration date or extend a travel booking or redemption deadline beyond the allotted window. Lastly, resell it online. There's a thriving market for unwanted gift cards, coupon codes, and social coupons, including traditional Groupon vouchers. Depending on the nature of your Groupon product and the marketplace you select, you could recoup much, perhaps nearly all, of the product's face value. So, this is how you can redeem expired Groupon. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.